Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we learn about settings attributes and also how to change their content inside of Shopify. Why do we need these attributes? The attributes are converted into settings in the Shopify content editor. There are different settings in the Shopify editor like text, rich text, images, links, or videos. When we use li settings attributes, we have the option to modify the content of an element in the Shopify theme editor. You can do that by writing li-settings : and then the type. In this case, the type is text. In the value field, you write a name. This name will later be shown as a label inside of the theme editor in Shopify. I am using heading in this case. Let's work on some more elements. You don't have to type the attribute by hand. You can use our Webflow app for this with presets. We can see that we have a button here. On buttons, we can usually modify two things: the link and the text. For the text, we can use the same attribute, li settings text. But for the value, we can write, for example, button text, so it's easy to understand. You confirm attributes with enter. To make the link adjustable, we can use li settings URL because this is a URL that we want to make adjustable. Let's make this image adjustable. It is the same process like before. Li settings, but in this case image because it's of type image. Make sure that the settings elements are inside of li section or li block elements. We can continue with converting. When we have a look at the section, you can see the properties that we have just created in Webflow. Now we can change the heading, we can change the link, or we can set an image. Click here to watch the next video.